Ako super saya kasi the last time I got to play in MOA was back in 2023. And then with a big crowd like this pa, tas against Chocomuch pa, very strong team. Wala, sobrang nakakagasa talaga. The feeling was very surreal walking into the arena kanina. And marinig yung cheers for both sides, every point. Nakakagana rin talaga maglaro. Nakakawala rin ng pagod.
Ayun. Sobrang saya din na makapaglaro ulit dito sa MOA kasi ilang months din na hindi ako nakapaglaro ng indoor. So, iba pa rin yung aura ng pagpasok mo kanina kasi sobrang daming tao din talaga. And sobrang saya dahil syempre kalaban namin yung Choco pa, ang isa sa mga matibay din na team talaga ng East Conference. And sobrang happy din na nakuha namin dito.
Well, it's very early pa in the season, so alam naman namin yun, how we performed in the first game does not say kung paano kami perform the rest of the season. So, tinatry talaga namin maging present sa training, sa bawat game, sa bawat kalaban na kaharapin namin, and we don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves kasi kami rin, like, at this point, kinikilala pa rin namin yung isa't isa kasi maraming ang bumalik. And thankfully, the win went our way, but at the same time, marami pa kaming kailangan gawin.
Everyday naman, andun pa rin yung adjustment. Kasi nga, gaya nga nung sabi ni Gia, daming bumalik sa amin. So, siya din, kakabalik niya lang din, ako din. Nung last kasi na nag-abot kami, sobrang easy lang yun eh. So, ngayon pa lang yung time ulit na i-build namin yung connection na setter to spiker. So, yun, everyday pa rin talaga, andun pa rin yung adjustment. So, everyday namin yun dito.